What's up, everybody? It's Novelty. Just doing another quick cooking video here. Kind of using the leftover seafood I had from the other night with some vegetables. I got some cut up, some hot peppers, garlic, onion, tomato, lime juice, all the seasonings I usually use. And then I got the seafood mix here. Just letting it simmer. For the supplement of the day here, we got I take probiotics. This is a good brand. It helps with digestion and immune health. This is 50 billion, which is pretty high. Honestly, if you even just eat like yogurt once a day, it's still good for your digestion and immune health. You don't have to take a probiotic supplement, really. Another good thing is kombucha tea. It's actually fermented mushroom tea. That's what it is. It's naturally effervescent. I actually have a home kombucha kit here that I'm going to be making within the next week or so, or the next couple of days maybe. So stay tuned for that video. Kombucha is really good for you. It's got a lot of probiotics and antioxidants. I've been drinking it for probably like 5 years now, and I just like the way it makes me feel. It does have a little bit of alcohol content to it since it is fermented, but it's not like gonna get you drunk or anything like that. I don't know if you guys saw the video you'll see the video from last night. The live podcast with Resist the Cabal. We did go for like 2 hours. It was a pretty good podcast. I'd recommend checking that out if you got some time. It is a little bit long, but we talk about a lot of different things going on in the world right now. Tonight I am drinking a Hopolicious. This is brewed by Ale Asylum. It's pretty good. It's a microbrew out of Madison, Wisconsin. That's pretty much all I had for tonight. Stay tuned. Tonight we're probably going to do another live podcast with Resist the Cabal 92. If you haven't subscribed to his channel, definitely do that. He puts out some good content. It's not for you people who easily get offended, though. I'll give you the heads up on that, because he does talk about some topics that aren't necessarily mainstream. But yeah, if you're a CNN or Fox News watcher, definitely don't watch his videos, because you'll probably get offended. All right, everybody, I hope everyone's having a good night, and make sure you hit the like and subscribe button if you would, and stay tuned. Peace.